Welcome back with the Kelly's Family Kitchen. Today we're making some Filipino ensaymadas. Okay, so we're going to have 1/4 cup of milk and we're going to put this on low heat. We're just warming it. We're not going to hot it. And this is 1/4 cup of cream. And 1/3 cup of Crisco shortening or shortening of your flavor. And 1/4 cup of water. And we're just gonna, like I said, we're just gonna make this warm. All right, so now that that's warmed up, one half a cup of bread flour, and we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup sugar, and then we're gonna have 2 1/4 teaspoons of dried active yeast. Okay, so now that we got our yeast and flour and salt mixed up here, we're going to gradually add this mixture that we just did a while ago and stirring and just keep stirring until it's mixed up well. Just like that. Okay, so now we got that stirred up and mixed up. We're going to pour in our electric mixer here. And we're going to mix this for 2 minutes on medium speed. And we're on medium speed for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're going to take 1 egg, crack it in, and we're going to take half of sweet potatoes and 1/2 cup of bread flour. And we're going to mix this back on medium for 2 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes on medium speed, we're going to gradually add in another 1.5 cups of bread flour. So I'm just going to use 1/2 cup at a time, and I'm just going to shake it in. Now once this all mixed up, we're going to take this and we're going to cover it with saran wrap, and we're going to put it there for 2 hours. We're going to uncover it, and we're going to add 2 egg yolks to it, and we're going to mix it on the blender on low speed. Okay, so now it's done mixing up until it's evenly mixed, and we're just going to cover it and let it sit back in the refrigerator for 4 more hours. In the refrigerator now, and I'm going to here in a bowl, and I'm going to place this bowl on top of ice. Okay, so you're going to pinch off some in your hand about double the size of a golf ball, and you're going to lightly flour your hand, and then you're going to roll it into a rope looking form. Like this right here, and we're going to tuck it under like that, and then we're going to place it in the pan just like so, and we're going to repeat. Okay, so now we got them all rolled out. We're going to butter them with some melted butter on the top like this right here, and then we're going to cover it and let it sit for 2 hours. Okay, now that they rise, we're going to put them in the preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. We got them out of the oven, and there they are. And I'm going to pat them down with some butter. Just like that there. And sprinkle some sugar on the top of it.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, now we're going to shred the cheese. Over the top.
This one is a plum roast cheese. What's this?
Alright. And there we go. There we go. We have them ready. Now we're going to enjoy eating. Thank y'all for watching, and please like and subscribe and share. Till next time.